Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to make your effective hair growth grease at home. So here I have the Vaseline. So this one is the one you can buy in the store that have aloe vera in it and some other ingredients. But this Vaseline right here is a pure, like 100% pure Vaseline. There's no any addition of any other product at all. So just in case you cannot find this 100% pure Vaseline, petroleum jelly, you can use that Vaseline. Okay, so that one that have already some ingredients inside. If you don't have this petroleum jelly, you can use that Vaseline. So here I have my pure and shea butter. Okay, so here is shea butter. You have to use this one because of something. Okay, so here is my shea butter. I'm going to just add a little bit of that. So to my 10 subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really do appreciate you all for your support, for always coming back to watch my video. I thank you all so much. So the next product is my palm butter. So this palm butter is super moisturizing, guys. I cannot even tell you guys enough benefit that this product has. It have a lot of benefit, and if you have a very dry hair, you should go and get yourself this palm butter. It's so amazing. So these are the butter that I will be using plus one. Okay, I'm be adding cocoa butter as well. So in case you don't have any of these, just try to get the shea butter, the Vaseline, petroleum jelly. Okay, so now I add my cocoa butter. So all these products, they are so handy, you can get them anywhere. So the oil part is this my first oil here is castor oil, guys. Take note, be watching it so that you can get all the ingredients. I don't think I can list all of them out. Please bear with me. So I am going to be using 2 spoons of castor oil. As you can see, you can use as much as you want. Okay, depends on the quantity you are making. Here I have my vitamin E oil, so I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of this vitamin E oil. Okay, so my next oil is coming. This one is my sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is one of amazing products you can also use on your hair. Okay, it's amazing. You can go and check out the benefits. Guys, today is not really benefit day. So my next oil is jojoba oil. Okay, I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of that as well. All these oil, they have their own benefit to our hair growth, moisture, nail retention, and nourish our scalp, promote hair growth, keep your hair strong. So here I have my flaxseed oil as well. I'm going to be adding 1 spoon of that. So my next oil is sesame oil. So sesame oil, all this oil you can get them from Amazon. All of them, anyone you are looking for is Amazon. Every oil that I'm using right here, they are from Amazon, except from the shea butter that is from Africa. Okay, you can also get shea butter from Amazon as well. So here I have my wheat germ oil, which is so moisturizing if you are suffering from dry hair and dry scalp. So I'm going to add 1 spoon of my wheat germ oil. So now I have all my oil in one place. I'm going to be mixing them together. Then I'll put it on fire so that the butter can melt, like the cocoa butter can melt very well. So if you want, you can use beeswax, emulsifying wax to make it solid. So today I'm not going to be using any of that, just in case you don't have that. Maybe you'll be thinking you can't make it without the wax. You can actually do without the wax if you have all the butter here, because the butter are going to make everything go solid again just in few hours. So after mixing it, this is how it's looking like. If you have your essential oil, you can go ahead and add it at this point and allow it to cool down. Then after some few hours, you are going to see your oil turn to grease. Okay, so now I'm going to just allow it to cool down for some hours. Then I will come back to show you how solid this is now. This is like a few hours later, 2 to 3 hours. I didn't put it in the fridge, guys, because even if you don't put it in the fridge, it's going to be solid just on its own. So after some few hours, this is how it's looking like now, and it's so moisturized, it's so shiny. As you can see how my hand is shining. So this is how you can just simple make your hair grease at home You can as well add any other hair oil that your hair love to eat, like olive oil, like coconut oil, like olive oil, coconut oil, any oil that you know your hair really love. You can go ahead and add it to it and make your own beautiful moisturizing hair growth oil. So I'm sure you get my Apple phone. Okay, is that not happy? My phone even get full Apple. So it's time to apply the product to my hair. This is how my hair is looking like. I washed my hair like 3 to 4 days ago. I just put it on this mini fat twist. So today I want to moisturize it with this my DIY hair growth grease that I made myself. Come and patronize me. Oh God, we have started our business. Come and patronize me. Guys, my hair grease is so good, guys. If you use it on your hair, you're going to love it. So come and place your order. So I'm just going to take down this twist. As you can see, look at that hair, look at that curls. Oh my goodness, look at that shine. I use argan oil, guys. I've shown you guys the argan oil before. Argan oil is made for body, but I use it on my hair too. So I use that on my hair that day. So after taking down the whole braid twist, this is how my hair is looking like. The coils is coiling, the shine is shining. My hair is so dark, like this hair is doing well. You cannot tell me anything. My hair is doing well. So now it's time for me to add some water to it, then just keep it moisturized. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. That's it before. Excuse me. Oh. So to my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your love and support. If you are here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to grow your hair on a very low key, okay, on a very low key. Subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on your post notification so that you will know when I post a new video. So I'm just going to separate these coils right here. Then I will just move to be making my hair. I'm making fat twist today, guys. Christmas is around the corner, so I just want to put my twist. I'll be washing my hair again next week so that I can make my Christmas braid or twist out. Okay, I'm not going to use any extension. I'm just going to make a simple twist out. Okay, with my God-given natural hair that is more expensive than human hair. That human hair stop but human hair. I don't know what I'm saying. So now I'm just going to add some water, as you can see. Then I will just separate the hair. Look at that length. Oh my God. You guys see that if I straight this my hair will be 32 inches. Like, I'm not kidding you guys. Like, it will be 32 inches. If I just add, let me say I want to flat iron my hair will be 32 inches. You know how much is 32 inches in Brazilian hair wig or whatever they call it? You know how much? Almost 200 something, 300. The original one is almost 1 million, like 2 million. Oh my God. So now I'm just going to continue to make my hair, guys. I'm talking too much now, B. So happy Christmas and happy New Year in advance. Thank you so much, guys. This year will be so good. God has been so kind to us. God has been so faithful. God has been so amazing. So this is my product right here now. I want to start using it on my hair. Come and patronize me. Very soon I will start making my hair grease. I will start selling. I will start selling. People will see me very soon on Facebook, on YouTube. Come and buy my product. Oh, it's organic. Oh, no chemical. All natural. All natural. So now I'm just going to apply this to my hair. Once in a while, I do make product like this. Not just always store-bought hair grease I use on my hair. Once in a while, I do mix all the oil that I have at home. Just play around with it. Just play around with it and be creative a little bit. So now I'm just going to just separate my hair. Then I'll put my hair in a super beautiful buzz twist. So guys, I am done with my hair. You see the shine, you see the beautiful looking gorgeous hair. You want you want to try this product out at home? I beg you guys should give it a try. You're going to like it, okay? If you can't make it, just call me. Just send me a DM. I will make it and send it for you. Just pay me small money. So I'll see you guys on my next video by God's given grace. Okay. Thank you all for your love and support. I didn't take it for granted at all. I did not take una for granted. Oh, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate a lot. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit to my palm. Then I will just use it to massage my scalp a little bit. Okay, you can use this product every day.